The Innovative Manufacturing Accelerator is a really wonderful program focused on combining Industry 4.0 skills for both innovative and disruptive business model development, but also prototyping of new models and ways of working for South Australian manufacturers, SMEs, through to startups, and really instilling that born global mindset. Obviously starting with defining that problem and challenge, and then taking them through a range of Industry 4.0 techniques and tools, sensors, automation, robotics, 3D printing, etc., utilising the resources and capacities of the university, but also an amazing bunch of people in mentor roles and advisory boards, of which many of you are in the room tonight. As I mentioned, the unique nature of this event, though, means you'll also hear from our amazing Australia Awards Indonesia program delegation that are here, and that's focused on connecting the Australian startup and entrepreneurial ecosystem with the Indonesian ecosystem. We've run, this is the second program, we ran the first in November 2018 and finalised that just back in March, and it's already having a significant impact. We've got partnerships with the City of Melbourne and Bandung, and 6 of the last cohort are partnering with the venture capital firm Investable to run what's called the Investable Games in Jakarta, and that's just later this week. So there's a small sample of these huge connections that are made, and we hope by combining these events tonight, some new connections will be made.